So we have just made it into shore for the night, and as Matt likes to say, this is our annual date night. Annual, perhaps that's a little sad. Once a year, we have one big date night that we look to the Annual Archipelago Date Night. So every year when we come out sailing, we book into a nice restaurant in the archipelago because there are a few that are dotted around. So we're trying a new one tonight that we've never been to before, and we've just set ourselves up for the afternoon with a bit of cheese plate, some rosé, and we're gonna soak in the sunshine.
The way you're going, Shan, you'll be lucky if you get an Annual Archipelago Date Night, okay? There we go. I can turn this thing around at any moment.
Rosé.
Lumber.
Shannon's summer favorite. And we're gonna go for dinner at this place right here.
What are you doing in there, Shan? It's dinner time in 1 hour. 1 hour countdown. What do we need to do?
We're going to take a shower.
Take a shower.
A shower.
A Baltic shower.
And we're going to get dressed in our fanciest clothes.
Yep, and a nice get up.
Yeah. And we're going to have a pre-dinner rosé.
Okay.
Okay, I'm showered, and now I'm going to get myself all fancied up. So, let me see what I have with me here. Slim pickings when it comes to the makeup department. I'm going to first put some jojoba oil on my face. This is actually all I usually do in my regular routine as well. I found that when I stopped putting like moisturizing cream on my face and started using jojoba oil instead, I started getting less acne. So now I just do this in the mornings after I wash my face, and I only wash my face with water. And then in the evenings I also just wash my face with water, and then I put nothing on my face before I go to bed. It gives a nice sort of glowy, dewy finish as well, which I really like. Now, for my hair, I'm gonna give it a good brush. Very, very naughty after a day of sailing. Okay, awesome. Nice of you to dress up for the occasion.
Oh, you're welcome. Fresh. Oh, smells like washing detergent. Same style, but fresh.
This guy only has 2 shirts.
There you go.
He has one for everyday wear, literally every single day, the same shirt. And then one for dressing up for dinner. Your everyday shirt. Nice. Just a more faded and yellowed version of your current shirt.
Oh, and it smells good. It smells like a sailing trip.
You guys, I can promise you that shirt does not smell good.
I'll air that out for today, hey?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful.
Boy, Shannon, he spilled some, Shannon.
Yours. And you take it
Good.
Delicious. Really good. Okay, so we ordered a 5-course dinner.
Mm-hmm.
We're about to have course number 4.
Number 4.
Listen to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. Ain't nobody like.
Grill.
So lucky.
Alright, delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. What do you think, Shan?
We had a delicious dinner.
2020
2020
date night
Annual
over.
Archipelago Date Night is over. Now we just get to walk back to our boat, which is right around there. We'll have a nightcap on the boat.
5 courses.
Tomorrow we'll continue sailing. What have you made us?
Looks like eggs. Scrambled eggs with a bit of sweet potato and potato. A little overdone, as you can see there. I opened a can of beans. And I think we got some semi-questionable Västerbottenost.
Yum.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Good.
Hey guys, so today is the last day of our 2-week sailing trip.
Ooh.
Some ups and some downs.
Yes, would expect nothing less.
Yeah.
Tip number 2, was that?
Number
Patience.
1, I
Was
think.
it? Patience.
Patience. Tip number 1. We want to thank you guys for tuning in to our sailing videos, and we really hope that you have enjoyed them. In a couple of weeks, we will be heading up to the north of Sweden, above the Arctic Circle, so we'll be taking you along with us for that as well. Sending you lots of love, and we will see you soon.
Bye for now. Bye bye, Sven Inge.